Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of learning. So in this video, we are going to discuss solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So take note, for the quadratic formula, we have x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So solve natin yung example number 1. We have x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, first thing to do is to make sure na yung ating form is in the standard form. So, ano ba yung standard form of quadratic equation? So, we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, dapat nakaganyang form in order to solve the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So, in this example number 1, standard form na siya. So, let us identify the values of A, B, and C. So, A is 1, B is negative 3, and C is negative 4. Then, after getting the values of the coefficient of A, B, and C, substitute lang natin sa ating quadratic formula. So, that is x is equal to negative B. So, that is negative times negative 3 plus minus square root of b square. We have negative 3 square minus 4. Okay, times a which is 1 and times c which is negative 4. All over, okay, 2 times a which is 1. So, x is equal to, solve natin, simplify natin. So, negative times negative 3. So, that is positive 3 plus minus square root of, okay, so negative 3 squared, that is 9. Then, multiply negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times negative 4, that is 16. So, plus 16. All over, okay, 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay? Okay, solve for the, yung nasa loob ng square root. So, that is 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 16. So, we have square root of 25. Then, all over 2. So, punta tayo dito. Okay. So, that is x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 25, that is 5. Then, all over 2. Okay, separate natin. So, we have x sub 1 is equal to 3 plus 5 over 2. And we have x sub 2 is equal to 3 minus 5 over 2. Then, x sub 1 is equal to 3 plus 5 over 2. That is 8 over 2. Or 8 divided by 2. So, that is x sub 1 is equal to 4. And x sub 2, that is 3 minus 5, we have negative 2, then divided by 2, so that is x sub 2 is negative 1. So, yung mga roots natin ng quadratic equation is 4 and negative 1. Okay, let's have example number 2. So, 3x squared minus 2x is equal to 8. Again, make sure lang na naka-standard form yung ating equation. So, in this example, yung 8 is nasa kabilang side pa. So, ang gagawin natin is to transfer yung 8 sa left side. So, that is 3x squared minus 2x. So, that is negative 8 is equal to 0. So, standard form na siya. Ang gagawin natin is to identify yung A, B, and C. So, yung A is 3, B is negative 2, and yung C is negative 8. Then, okay, so, i-substitute lang natin sa ating formula. So, that is x is equal to negative B. So, negative B. So, we have negative times negative 2 plus minus square root of b square. So, we have negative 2 square minus 4 times a which is 3 and times c which is negative 8. Then over 2 times a, that is 2 times 3. So simplify lang natin. So that is x is equal to negative times negative, positive. So 2 positive 2 plus minus square root of negative 2 square, we have 4. Negative 4 times 3, that is negative 12 times negative 8, that is plus 96. Over 2 times 3, that is 6. Then, x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 96, that is 100 over 6. Then, so we have x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 100 is 10, then over 6. Paghiwalayin lang natin, x sub 1 is equal to 2 plus 10 over 6, and x sub 2 is equal to 2 minus 10 over 6. So simplify, x sub 1 is equal to 2 plus 10, that is 12 over 6, or 12 divided by 6, so x sub 1 is equal to 2. Okay, next, x sub 2 is equal to 2 minus 10 over 6, so that is x sub 2 is equal to negative 8 over 6. So in this case, hindi whole number yung kukuha natin pag dinivide natin yung negative 8 over 6. So ang gagawin lang natin is to simplify or get the simplest form of negative 8 over 6. Or lowest term lang natin. So meron silang common, which is 2. So divide lang natin both numerator and denominator by 2. Negative 8 divided by 2. So that is negative 4. And 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, yung x sub 2 natin ay negative 4 over 3. I hope nakatulong tong video natin na maintindihan nyo on how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Thank you for watching and see you on our next upload. God bless everyone!